Welcome to the myprojectbazaar.com. This is our project title, a general technique for top key geometry query intersection problems. This is our project abstract. In general, the geometric top key problem must define that the set of geometric objects are placed in the group. In that group, it consists of spatial objects such as rectangle, points, etc. In that, we enter the query, the results for the query, and produced from that group. But the problem is that results occupy the huge number of answer space. It shows all the relevant results. But what we need is a top key results. For that, here we propose a system which generates the top key results. In this system, each object has a real valued weight. The main goal is to pre-process the set of objects into a space-efficient data structure so that for any query geometric object, k largest weight objects of the group intersected by the query can be reported efficiently. This is the DFT of our process. In our process, we just first enter into our system. After that, we loading our spatial data set. After loading the spatial data set, we pre-processing the data. After the pre-processing step, we move on to the query initialization process. In the query initialization process, we first enter the user query. After that, receiving the user query, we just count the results, number of the relevant results. If number of the relevant results is less than the k value, means we just show all the relevant results. Otherwise, we calculate the threshold value. After the evaluation of the threshold value, we aggregate all the k relevant results. Then we provide the ranking for that all relevant results. Based on that ranking, we show the top k results. Finally, we'll perform the evaluation process. Let us see the demo of our system. First of all, select the NetBeans. In the NetBeans process, select the homepage.java, right-click the homepage.java and run the file. This is our first page. In this page, we are going to load our data set. Here, we are going to use the spatial data set for the processing. First of all, select the data set. Here, we are going to use the forest fire data set. It is in the form of CSV file. We just choose the file and click open. Spatial data sets gets loaded. Again, we are showing the information present in our data set. Sure. Okay, these are all the information present in our data set. Then next, here we perform the pre-processing step. In the pre-processing, we are going to removing the unwanted values. In this button click, that action takes place. Just click this button, pre-processing operation takes place. Click OK. Then it shows the pre-processed results. These are all the information which are the free from the unwanted values. Then we click the next. Here we select the query processing. First of all, we move on to the top key set. In this processing, first we are going to search by month. We are going to query based on the month in our data set. First, select the any of the month as the input query. Based on the query, it shows the results in the April month where the forest fire takes place. Likewise, then we move on to the search by day. Then click, then we select the day and it shows the relevant results based on the selection query. Then we move on to the area. The area we should have entered the numerical value. Based on the numerical value, it shows the relevance whether these are the informations less than the 0.5 present in our data set. In the greater than process, it does the greater than results. Then we search by spread index. The spread index, we have to enter the numerical value, just less than. These are all the result of the spread index process. Then move on to the win, search by win. We are going to given the win level as the input, greater than. These are all the number of informations which is provided as a result for the win level. Then we move on to the temperature. We just enter the temperature range and the temperature information greater than or less than equal to this information. These are all the number of informations less than this temperature. We then move on to the next frame. In this, the remaining four methodologies. First one is a FFMC. In this, we are going to enter the numerical value, then less than. So there is no values less than this 6. So we just put the 10, greater than 10. These are the number of values greater than 10 for the FFMC. Likewise, DMC, Draft Master Code. Here we enter the some values, check less than. Only one information is less than the Draft Master Code, which is a 2.3. Then draw code. Enter the values. It shows the relevant results. Likewise, relative humidity. The relative humidity also we provide that numerical value greater than values. These are all the one part of our process. Second part of our process, we have to process the non-top key results. In this process, we are going to choose any of this query format. We choose the area format means just select area, then again give the query, then whether we are going to process whether greater than or less than or equal to. We provide less than means totally 261 results is less than this 0.6 spatial result in the column of area. Then click OK. Then next, in that we are going to enter the K value. This K is nothing but the top K results. We are going to enter K value as 5. If it is a 5 means it checks the relevant results. So K value is less than the relevant results because the relevant result is 261. Then we are going to evaluate the threshold value. In this process, we are going to perform the threshold calculation. After this calculation, the results are get ranked. Likewise, the results are get ranked. After this, we get our final results. Shows the top 5 results as the output. Likewise, we can able to query for all the data. For example, if we query for the spread index, here also we can able to explain the information which is greater than values. 508 values are greater than these values. Okay. Then again next, then enter the K value. Now I provide the K value as 10. Then it check. Here also K value is less than the relevant results. So we should calculate the threshold value. Then again we perform the threshold calculation, ranking process. Again top. So it shows the top 10 results. Likewise, temperature. We give the temperature as 35, less than. It is the overall information. It is greater than 0, nothing information. Equal is also 0. Just we change the temperature as 25. Greater than information is 65. So then we proceed. Then here we enter the K value. It is at 2. Then check. Calculate the threshold value again because the K value is less than the relevant results. Okay. Then the threshold calculation. Then ranking process. After the ranking process, it finally shows top 2 results. Likewise, we repeat our process for all the informations. We can able to query all the relevant results and shows the top key results for all the information. This project is mainly for identifying the top key and non-top key results. So for top key results, we are going to evaluate the threshold value. For non-top key results, we just show the relevant results based on the query. Thank you.